Is it a taco? Or is it a sandwich? Now you can decide for yourself, even if you're vegan. What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Taco Bell got into the chicken sandwich wars with their new chicken sandwich taco, and today we're gonna make that, but we're gonna make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For this recipe, you'll need 2 vegan chicken patties. This is personally my favorite out of what I've had, so this is what I would recommend. You also need 2 pieces of flatbread, some creamy chipotle sauce. I would just find a recipe online that works well for you. This is actually a copycat recipe I found of Taco Bell's creamy chipotle sauce. It was actually already vegan, other than I just had to use vegan ranch with it. You also need 1 pack of Taco Bell seasoning mix, half a cup of unflavored plant-based milk, and half a cup of crushed tortilla chips. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más
All right, and here we have our vegan Taco Bell chicken sandwich taco. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.